Welcome to FabAnthonyHealthTips, the home of health insights that matter. In today's episode, we read diving deep into one of the most powerful and exciting trends shaping the world of health and wellness, the pursuit of longevity. From Silicon Valley biohackers to centenarian villages in Okinawa, people are embracing a new mindset. Aging is no longer something we simply endure, it is something we can influence. These include telomere length, mitochondrial function, inflammation levels, and gene expression patterns. While your chronological age ticks up year by year, your biological age, the true state of your cells and organs, can be younger or older depending on how you live. These support joint health, cardiovascular function, and cognitive clarity. Your brain cleans itself during deep sleep. Your immune system resets. Your hormones regulate. Lack of deep, consistent sleep accelerates aging in every measurable way. That's why today, longevity clinics are prescribing sleep protocols with the same urgency as nutrition and exercise plans. Think blackout curtains, smart lighting, magnesium supplements, wind-down routines, and digital detoxes. The trend in 2025 is less about extreme fitness and more about sustainable, functional movement. Think Zone 2 cardio, gentle strength training, yoga, and active recovery. And that's the game changer. You can have the body of a 50-year-old at 70, or a 70-year-old body at 50. The difference is in the habits, the environment, and the science you apply. In this video, you'll discover science-backed strategies that actually work, not gimmicks or wishful thinking, but proven habits and technologies that help your body stay younger for longer. But we're not just talking about living longer, we're talking about living better, stronger, sharper, and healthier for as many years as possible. That's the real goal, not just lifespan, but health span. And the science of 2025 is proving that this is not just a dream. Studies from the blue zones, regions where people routinely live past 100, reveal consistent dietary patterns: whole, unprocessed foods, mostly plant-based, low in added sugars and red meats, rich in antioxidants and fiber. In 2025, this insight has expanded to include time-restricted eating, also called intermittent fasting, which supports cellular repair, hormone balance, and reduced inflammation. It's real, it's achievable, and it's transforming lives. Around the globe, the longevity trend is surging. Let's start with what we know from science. Over the past decade, researchers have uncovered biological markers that influence how quickly we age. One of the most important tools in the longevity toolbox is nutrition. But diet alone isn't enough. Movement is essential. Not just intense workouts, but daily, moderate activity, walking, gardening, stretching, mobility exercises. Then comes sleep, the ultimate anti-aging tool. Most people underestimate how critical sleep is for longevity. In 2025, there's also a massive rise in biohacking and personalized medicine. People are getting their genomes tested, tracking inflammation with home kits, wearing devices that monitor sleep, oxygen levels, heart rate variability, even blood sugar in real time. These tools aren't just for tech junkies. They're for anyone serious about knowing their body and making informed health decisions. One of the most overlooked keys to a longer health span is social connection. Loneliness is a major predictor of early death, as dangerous as smoking 15 cigarettes a day. People who stay socially active live longer, with better mental and emotional health. This is still in early stages but has shown promise in restoring vision in old mice and regenerating aged cells. A diverse, balanced microbiome supports immune function, brain health, metabolism, and inflammation control. Fermented foods, fiber-rich diets, and occasional pre/probiotic supplementation are all ways to support a youthful internal environment. It may sound like science fiction, but top universities and biotech companies are investing millions into making this reality within the next 5 to 10 years. That's why Blue Zones put so much emphasis on family, friends, and community rituals. Let's talk supplements. While many are overhyped, some have real science behind them. NMN, nicotinamide mononucleotide, for example, supports cellular energy and has been shown to reverse age-related decline in lab studies. Resveratrol, found in red grapes, activates longevity genes called sirtuins. Chronic stress shortens your telomeres, those caps on the end of your DNA strands that protect your cells. Stress increases inflammation, disrupts hormones, and weakens your immune system. But when you engage in daily stress reduction practices like meditation, breathwork, prayer, journaling, or spending time in nature, you literally change your biology in favor of longevity. Omega-3 fatty acids protect your heart and brain. Vitamin D, often low in modern lifestyles, is vital for immune function and mood. One of the most exciting areas is senolytics, drugs and nutrients that help clear out zombie cells in your body. These senescent cells no longer function properly, but they don't die either, they just sit around, causing inflammation and disease. Early trials in mice and now humans show that clearing these out may slow, or even reverse, aspects of aging. But supplements are just that, supplements. The foundation remains your lifestyle. Then we have the science of stress management. Now let us shift to some of the emerging breakthroughs happening in 2025. Then there's epigenetic reprogramming, techniques aimed at turning back the clock on cell behavior. Another rising area is gut health. Scientists are discovering that your microbiome, the ecosystem of bacteria in your gut, plays a critical role in aging. You may be wondering, what's the ideal daily routine for longevity? While it varies per person, here's what science says is a solid foundation: wake up with sunlight exposure to set your circadian rhythm. Move your body in the first hour, walk, stretch, do light cardio. Eat a fiber-rich, antioxidant-packed breakfast if you're not fasting. Stay hydrated, not just with water, but also mineral salts. Schedule time for focused work followed by breaks and movement. Eat your last meal early, giving your body a chance to digest before sleep. Wind down without screens, use blue light filters, journal or read. Sleep in a dark, quiet, cool room, aim for 7 to 9 hours consistently. Does this sound like a lot? Maybe. But the goal isn't perfection, it's progress. It's about stacking the odds in your favor, one decision at a time. Now let's talk mindset. Swap a processed meal for a plant-rich one. Start meditating for 5 minutes. Whatever it is, start somewhere. Your future you will thank you. We're committed to bringing you the latest, science-backed, and most inspiring health content every single week. This is FabAnthonyHealthTips, where health meets hope, and the future of wellness is in your hands. The most powerful longevity strategy isn't a pill or app, it's how you think. People who view aging as a time of growth, wisdom, and purpose live longer than those who see it as decline. Optimism, curiosity, lifelong learning, spiritual connection, these are longevity tools. They keep your brain plastic, your heart open, and your life full of meaning. In summary, the longevity trend in 2025 is not a passing fad, it's a paradigm shift. We're moving from reactive healthcare to proactive self-care. From fear of aging to empowerment through knowledge. And the best part? You don't need a lab coat or millions of dollars to join the movement. You just need commitment, awareness, and the willingness to build habits that serve your future self. So here's your challenge: pick one longevity strategy we covered today and apply it this week. Track your sleep. Take a walk every morning. If you found this valuable, hit that like button, share this video with someone who cares about their health, and subscribe to FabAnthonyHealthTips. Stay strong, stay young, and stay intentional. Thank you for watching.